Your sauce looks thin, so you reach for flour or cream. Wait, maybe it simply needs more time. Maybe its ingredients can create the texture, or maybe it was never supposed to be thick and creamy. We often picture sauce as bechamel or something added with cream, but tomato sauce, pesto and sauce, and even an oil and vinegar salad dressing are all sauces. That last one is a vinaigrette, oil mixed with an acid such as vinegar or lemon juice. Whisking brings them together temporarily. So if we remove flour and cream, do we still have a sauce? Absolutely. The better questions are, what creates the body? How is the texture built, and what creates the flavor and aroma? Say your tomato sauce looks watery. Tomatoes can supply both the base and the body. Instead of adding flour, let the sauce simmer so water evaporates and the flavor concentrates. That's reduction, but don't push it too far. The flavor can become heavy and a stock-based sauce can turn sticky as its gelatin concentrates. Or suppose you have ground chicken in a pan. Those brown bits stuck to the bottom are called fond. Add a little liquid, scrape them up, and let the liquid reduce. Now you have a pan sauce, no flour or cream required. Pesto takes another route. Herbs, nuts, cheese, and oil are ground together so the ingredients build both body and texture. In a vinaigrette, oil and acid come together when whisked, but may separate later. That is normal for a temporary emulsion. Just whisk it again, and flour isn't the enemy. In bechamel, milk forms the base, while cooked mixture of flour creates the texture. Flour is simply one tool, not the answer to every sauce problem. So the next time a sauce seems wrong, diagnose it before adding anything. Is the base too watery? Does the texture need reduction, blending, emulsification, or a thickener? Or is the real problem that the flavor and aroma are underdeveloped? Thin sauce may not need flour. A heavy sauce certainly doesn't need more. If a sauce tastes flat, flour cannot bring the missing flavor back. A good sauce should make fruit more flavorful, less dry, and more appealing, not buried under a heavy layer. Don't define sauce by flour or cream, define it by how it's built and what it does for the food.